This channel generates around 6,800 ad revenue monthly. Creating motivational content without showing your face. A video even got 3.6 million views. Imagine just with one video. You can do the same thing and make money fast. I'm going to show you how you can do this with making similar kind of videos like this channel, using nothing but AI to streamline the entire process. Let's not waste any more time and begin. First, you need to create a YouTube channel, and I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a channel name and description. I know I want to create a channel about motivational videos. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a YouTube channel names about motivational speeches, and it gives me a list. So from that list, I choose number 14, success mindset. I further asked ChatGPT to give me a channel description about a channel name success mindset. As you can see, ChatGPT gives me a description. It types out the whole description of the channel success mindset, and there we have a description in place now. Now that we have our channel name and description, we can paste it right in. But as you can see, ChatGPT gave me a bit of a too long description, so I'm going to delete part of it. Next, we need a profile picture. To do this, we're gonna go to Canva and use the image generator. Go to Canva and search YouTube profile picture, and then go to create a blank YouTube profile picture. Then you'll come to this page and go to apps and text to image. Once you in text to image, you'll be allowed to type anything in a text box. As you can see, I typed the glowing human brain and I downloaded this image. Let's get ready to upload our image. Next, we upload our AI generated picture by Canva that we downloaded. We look for our picture, we upload it, and once it's uploaded, we publish our picture. Voila, there's our picture uploaded and ready. We are not done, we still need our YouTube banner. So our YouTube banner, we go to Canva again and create one. So once you're on this page, you go to apps, text to image generator AI, and then I'm gonna type again a human brain with glowing light around it, and I'm gonna use this for my banner picture. Once the AI generates a picture, just go download the picture. Once you download the picture, let's get ready to upload the picture. So now it's time to upload our picture. We go to the folder where our picture is saved, and we select what we want to upload from the picture. I never make it a proper size for banner, but I'm going to upload this part of the picture and publish it. Let's take a look at our YouTube channel. Looks good to me. Time to upload videos to YouTube. Now we go to ChatGPT. Since our YouTube channel is about success mindset, I then asked ChatGPT to generate 6 YouTube stories of a success mindset. And as you can see, ChatGPT starts generating 6 YouTube stories about the success mindset. Let's wait for ChatGPT to finish. It will be finished shortly. All done. So we will use from rock bottom to success, my journey of overcoming adversity. Next, we're going to use 11 Labs, which is an AI that generates from text to audio. So you can choose any person or any voice you want to read off your text, and that voice will read your text. So I asked ChatGPT to write a 300-word story from rock bottom to success, my journey of overcoming adversity. Make it entertaining and engaging. Please write it in English. And ChatGPT starts to populate the story. As you can see, ChatGPT starts to populate a 300-word story. And what we're going to do when a story is done is take the story and copy it in 11 labs to create a voiceover. So you paste the script created by ChatGPT inside the text box, and you use the voice name Josh, and then you press generate and download the audio generated. Let's listen to the voice generated by the AI.
Once upon a time, in a small town known for its endless fields of dreams, there lived a young dreamer named Alex. Alex had a...
As you can hear, the AI voice sounds great. I'm very happy. So now we're going to go back to Canva and search YouTube video templates. Create a blank YouTube video template, and we're going to search library in the image text box. Reason why we search in a library, because it will be interesting for our story. As you can see, I put a library picture inside the blank canvas. Now let's go edit our picture. I'm gonna edit our picture. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the brightness down so our character, who I'm gonna introduce in a second, will stand out. I'm gonna play with some settings to see if I can get some good looks. As you can see, I'm looking at some of the other settings, but I'm gonna just concentrate on the brightness. So I put the brightness down. So come to Canva, we're gonna create our character. Go to blank YouTube profile picture, go to text to AI, and I typed in a search box a wizard with white hair with white light around it. So this is gonna be our character. All we have to do now is download a character in PNG format. You have to download in PNG format, or whatever we're gonna do now won't work. Please guys. Come to remove.pg and upload our picture that we downloaded so we can remove the background of our image and only our character can show. Once it's done, please download. We come back to Canva and place our character on top of our previous image. After doing that, we can download the image. As you can see how great our image look. Let's go to the next. Now add some text to the image by clicking on add a header, and you can style your text. Be sure to download the image as a PNG or the next step won't work. Next we're gonna come to d-.id. This is where we're gonna add our audio to our PNG picture that we just downloaded with our character. You can create the first few videos for free. So firstly, we add our PNG image that we downloaded with our character and the background. So that's what we add. As you can see, I'm adding that picture. So you can create first few videos for free, guys, on a free plan. Then you have to now upload the voice. We're gonna upload the voice that was generated from 11 labs, right? As you can see, our image populated. So let's upload the voice or the audio. We upload the audio. So we upload that audio. We're gonna upload now. It's about just over 2 minutes. So once we upload the audio, it will process and take some time to like show the audio. So there's the audio. Let's press generate video, and now we can download the video when it's done. Here's our video now.
Once upon a time, in a small town known for its endless fields of dreams, there lived a young dreamer named Alex. Alex had a fire within, a burning desire to make a mark on the world. With wide-eyed enthusiasm, they set off on a journey to achieve greatness, unaware.
So that was a snippet of our video. The only thing we need now is subtitles. So next we go to v.io, we click on subtitles and auto transcribe, and it will auto transcribe. Once it's done, we can download the video with our subtitles. Let me show you the final output.
Once upon a time, in a small town known for its endless fields of dreams, there lived a young dreamer named Alex. Alex had a fire within, a burning desire.
So there we're done. You can see there's a snippet of our video. Looks cool, right? It's very amazing. So now it's time to upload our video. So now we're gonna upload our video to YouTube. So we have to use ChatGPT to generate a title for us and also a description. So let's go to ChatGPT and get those generated for us. So I go to ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me a description of give me a YouTube video description from rock bottom to success, my journey of overcoming adversity. And then ChatGPT starts generating the description for me. As you can see, it's almost done. And I further ask now ChatGPT for a title. I asked ChatGPT to give me one title for YouTube, and ChatGPT writes out the title for me, as you can see. So we go back to YouTube now that ChatGPT is done with the description and title, and we paste them both in, and now it's time to publish our video. So I do all the mandatory selections. YouTube, I go next, and I check everything and make the video public and publish. Voila, all done. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.